Hey guys, what's up? It's Frank. I'm here to talk to you about 1025 Greystone Ave in the city of Richmond, and this is a really cool deal. In 2017, we bought this for under $60,000. We put roughly $20K into it and turned it into an awesome rental. We rented it for over $1,600 a month for almost 5 years. When the time was right, we bought it, renovated it, we refinanced it, we took some cash out, we rode it. But then the market appreciated and we looked at it and we're like, you know what? We can sell this house for over $200,000, and we did for over $225,000. And we're gonna make a huge rip on this thing, like over 80,000 bucks. And the cool thing is because we bought it and we held it for a while, it qualifies for capital gains. And capital gains are way less expensive, depending on your tax bracket, than ordinary earnings. So we got to ride this thing out, use depreciation, drive down our tax basis, and in the end, capitalize in an incredible way with a low tax exit. Is there another reason to be in real estate besides deals like this? These are great ones, and I hope you enjoyed it.